Cincinnati's renowned Blink Festival of Light and Art. Once every 2 years, this spellbinding display of illuminated art, murals, and light sculptures showcases brilliance from artists around the globe. Blink dazzled over 2 million visitors with lights from 101 installations throughout the city, focused on the overarching theme of togetherness. Empower saw the chance to shine a spotlight on something unique and wonderful: the people of Cincinnati. Merging Empower's strength in creative marketing and data excellence, we created See Yourself in Light, a display of individuality and unity.
When I was a kid, I had this poster on my wall. It was of fractal art. It was just mesmerizing, like you could look into it and just see this depth. And it stood out to me that mathematical perfection and art were in some way united, or that beauty was there in math too. And talked about enlisting the data scientists in the building. But what they were able to do was something I had no way to anticipate, and it was really something special.
Empower's installation let visitors create a one-of-a-kind piece of light art, projected for all to see.
See yourself in light. The idea is whatever was unique about you and your picture would be represented in that fractal and could not be replicated. As much as two pictures can be similar, they essentially cannot be identical, so none of our fractals could either. The first party installation, you'd come up and take a picture of yourself, generate a unique fractal that would then be displayed further down for you to then take a picture with if you wanted in real time, kind of make it a little bit more interactive. Additionally, that would all be added to as kind of a portion of an animation that built over the entire weekend.
The art was assembled in a lyrical motion graphic showcase of a city that shines brighter when we stand together.
The moment people saw their custom fractal art, they were immediately enamored by the colors, the shapes, how it was different than what they saw someone else do right before them, and quickly they were interpreting their own colors. So it's just really interesting to see how people reacted to their own light, but also see how it might change if you added another person into the photo with them. And it was amazing to see we had repeat visitors throughout the whole weekend. So people were clearly talking about how much they enjoyed See Yourself in Light and telling their friends and wanting to come back for even more.
Unique, yet similar. Distinct, but united. Absolutely unrepeatable and infinitely beautiful. Not just the light on the wall, your light within.